Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee. Today, I'm showing you the final part of the series where I make over my husband's new restaurant with as many thrifted, gifted, or free items as possible. Spring sprung quicker than we wanted, and it was a rush to finish so we can open the same day as the golf course we are located on. We are now open. So here's the before and after of all the remaining rooms. But this is the main entrance. This is the entrance that was right behind me outside. And then as you come in here, as you can see, we're taking down items. We're going to paint the walls. All this carpet's getting restored, brand new carpet. They're cleaning the bar from head to toe. But this is the main area when you walk in. So this is like the bar area, and the kitchen is in the back. And then to the right, there are two banquet rooms. One's the Atrium and one's the Ballroom. This one is labeled the garden room. We like to call it the atrium because it's almost, very outdoorsy, but, protected from the elements. It's got a great dance floor, and it's really bright and airy. Eventually, we'd like to change the colors of the wall, but right now they're not that bad. They're actually in good shape. We came in here and we washed the floors, washed the walls, washed the windows, took down the old decorations. And as you can see, there's a TV monitor up there. Eventually, we'd like to add maybe more TVs. And then we're going to repaint the bar area. So there's a full functioning bar right here so people can have an event. There is also a handicap accessible entryway. And this is just a lovely place to have Mother's Day brunch or even a baby shower, a wedding shower. This is going to be a great entertainment area. But off the side of the bar is another banquet room, and this seats about 50 people. Let's see, do I have a light switch? I think I don't. Oh, but music can come in here too. This is interesting. The lights aren't on in here, but basically this could be a meeting room for, 50 people. It has just, small enough, intimate enough if you're having a small gathering. And obviously we haven't done anything in this room right here just yet, but look at the view outside this window. If I can get the camera, isn't that pretty? It's kind of pretty, but it'll get better as the weather turns. So this is a small banquet room and has a lot of potential. We're really excited about it. And now I'd like to invite you to the members room. This one is downstairs from the blue room. And as you can see, you come in here. The men's bathroom is actually a little bit nicer than the women's. Not gonna lie, actually a lot nicer. But there are more male golfers, so I guess that's warranted. But as you come down this area, you can see these curtains gotta go. We're gonna get rid of these crazy cheap curtains, and I'm going to try to find some fabric that I can make some really nice ones. And this room really has potential. I'm so excited. Look at this. This area right here is like a little speakeasy kind of room for the guys. Members only. Could be girls too if they want, but we can put some nice leather chairs down here if I can thrift some. I'm going to be looking for that. I want really kind of manly decor down here because at night it is kind of dark. And I think it just would be really cool. It's got a TV down here so people can just chill. I want to make their spaces, comfortable. So we need to find maybe a love seat and a couple chairs. And then look at this. We even have a game table down here, which is actually very nice. And then this table here, does it have legs? Let's check. Yes, it does. We're going to set that baby up. We're going to reimagine this right here. I'm very excited about what is in store. Came out so good. My husband helped me finish doing the staple gun because it was hurting my hand, but they came out so good. Look how nice they came out. Anissa is putting up the LED lights and they look so awesome in this room. I'm so excited. This is a man cave if there ever was one. Yes. Hey, brother.
Yeah, look at this man cave. That's what I'm talking about.
Awesome. Working on today is the blue room. This is right off of the entrance of the restaurant, and instead of going to the member room going down, we're going to go to the blue room up. Here is an area that I can't wait to decorate. I'm noticing that there is some paint splotches on the wall that I have to take care of, but this area is going to be fun to decorate. First of all, we need to clean the floor, obviously, and we are going to put up wall decor. We're going to decorate this like crazy. This is going to be so pretty. But basically, we're going to freshen things up in here. This room has some great bones. I think out of all of the rooms, this is my favorite room because it's light and airy. You can see the golf course out the windows. You also have a fireplace. And like I said, if I was a bride and I was having my reception here, I would want to also rent out this room so that way I could get dressed and I can have all my bridesmaids here and kind of have a, you know, like a little buffet, and the girls get dressed and we all have our own special time together. This would be a great place for mimosas or just kind of hanging out with your girlfriends before you go down and have that party. Oof, no.
You don't like it? Okay. We'll just change it.
If I'm being honest, Cream.
I want you to be honest. We'll just do a cream. I don't care.
I'm sorry.
Whatever. You're gonna regret it in the long run. I know you are. You're gonna be like,
I don't think
want
so.
Cream. I'm telling you.
I don't think so, because you know, to be honest with you, if I go with my gut, it's cream, and we can decorate it to any color. You got paint in your eye.
That's it.
He's got paint all in his eye. Yeah, if I'm going with my gut, it's cream. It's
Okay.
it's like the top.
Maybe back to cream.
I'm sorry.
Go back to cream.
The whole thing.
Just the whole thing to cream.
You're gonna make it back to what color?
The wall.
Not back.
Same as the
Just
wall.
just the.
But then it's gonna blend in too much.
Yeah.
With the wall.
That's what I said.
No, I think if I'm
Why
being.
not do the lighter color of the yellow that was on the paint?
Listen,
Sample sheet.
the reason why I'm saying that is because this is so bold. And if we did just this cream, I could decorate it with anything. I could decorate it with any color. If a bride comes in,
I just found a sample downstairs. That's why I just grabbed it to see what it would look like with an offset color. But yeah.
That was mine and Mike's idea, was to make it offset because it matches. One of those colors will blend in with this and this.
that's purple though.
It's
That
not
doesn't
purple.
make
It's like
sense.
a grayish color.
That's purple. That's got a purple undertone. As you can see, the brick color was a source of controversy, but I think I made the right call. What do you think? Before we knew it, we were receiving produce and prepping for our first event, which went off without a hitch. We are so thankful for all your support. Come on out and enjoy a great meal or plan your next event with us.